Hello guys, welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can create a chemistry calculator in C++. So let's begin. First of all, I will show you what you can do with this calculator. So I open my IDE, run this function. It will take some time. Yes, chemistry calculator. Press 1 to find mass percentage. The one from you who know chemistry of 11th class, 12th class will know this term: mass percentage, molarity, mole fraction, mass of one atom. Find 1 mole of atom, find mass of 1 molecule, find moles of compound. So for example, let's find molarity. Press 2. Now mass of solute in grams. You have to type mass of solute in grams. I think 13 grams. Volume of solvent. Now we have to write volume of solvent in liters. 23 liters. Yes, your molarity is 1. Okay. So now I will show you how you can create this. First of all, open code block. I will create a new file. New project. Console application. Go. C++. Project name. I will name it a test. Some finish. You will find the main file below source. So let's begin. First of all, include IOStream library. Then we will include strings. No, we will don't include strings. Int main parentheses. Now we will declare some variables. Float. I think you are familiar with these words, these keywords. Sorry for my English. It is my second language. So let's. One variable is mass per. It means mass percent. Another weight x. Next one is weight y. Another is mass underscore solute. Mass solute molarity. After molarity, mass underscore solvent. After this, what we will declare after this: mole underscore I think if I do this video become too long. So in shortcut, I will give you the source code of this and you can copy that and run in your IDE. Let me show you how. Go to link in description. I will open my browser. Yes. Now search for git. Not here. We will search here. github.com slash Lakshit 2808. You can also get this age calculator there, but I will show you how you can get chemistry calculator. Here is my profile. If you want, you can follow me. Click on chemistry calculator. Go to main.cpp. Here is the source code. You can directly copy from here. Go to your code block or IDE, any another IDE. Simply Control plus V, paste. Here is your code. Now run the program. Simple. Choose any option, like for example, we will find a mole of compound. Okay, we will find mole of compound. Mass of compound in grams. No, 23, 25. Molecular mass in grams. Molecular mass 108 moles of compound. We will find the mole of compound like this. Okay. Now one more example. Let me think. Now we will find for mass of atom. Atomic mass of element. Let me think. We will find carbon. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Yeah. Mass of one atom of carbon equals to 1.99269 to the power minus 23. You can calculate this. So let me show you one more thing. No, it's fine.